Hey crafty friends, I'm jumping on today to show you all how you can print your own decoupage paper. Instead of just buying napkin after napkin, you can have your own design. Lay it out. I usually lay mine out in Canva. I use tissue paper from the dollar store, $1.25 for, let's see, 35 sheets of 20 by 20. Pretty good deal. So what you want to do is get a regular piece of white paper, 8.5 by 11, and then cut your tissue paper to fit. That's hopefully I did that right. All right, so I'm gonna put it on. And I'm gonna put a piece of tape at the top and at the bottom, just so that it does not jam in the machine. So here we go, one piece at the top and one at the bottom. The other thing that I do sometimes, let's see, hopefully that's going to go through. The tissue is kind of over the paper just a tad. Let's see if I can pull it down, since I already taped it on. Let's just make sure that these outside edges aren't outside of the white paper. The other thing that you want to make sure is that you use the dull side of the tissue paper. You'll notice that side is shiny, and this is the dull side. One more thing I do, Elmer's School Glue. I'm going to take it and right at the tippity top, put a little bit of glue so the paper stays down and it feeds through properly. I'll put a little glue on this side. Preparation is key for sure. Okay, so the top has glue and tape, the bottom has just tape. You want to make sure that in a laser printer, you're putting it in at the top. And let me send my design to the printer. And I always hit fill entire paper so I get as many designs in as I can. Printer's warming up, accepting the design, receiving the data, and let's hope for the best. This is the design that will be coming out. And look at that. We have an entire sheet of nutcrackers. And I can make 20 shells with this one piece of tissue paper. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel for more